CBSE Science, Class 10, Chapter 4, Carbon and its Compounds.
Let us learn the chemistry chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers are in white color.
Mention a test that can be used to differentiate between butter and cooking oil. Butter is saturated in nature while cooking oil is unsaturated. This means that cooking oil has at least one C bond present in the constituting compounds while butter does not have any such bond. The distinction between them can be made by reacting with bromine water or bromine dissolved in carbon tetrachloride. Cooking oil will discharge the yellow color of bromine while butter will not. Explain the mechanism of cleansing action of soap. Soaps contain two chemically distinct parts, a long hydrocarbon tail and the other negatively charged head. The long hydrocarbon tail is nonpolar and water-repelling, that means, insoluble in water. When a soap is dissolved in water, the molecules clump together in a spherical fashion as clusters called micelles. The tail stick inwards and the head outwards. In cleaning, the long hydrocarbon tail attaches itself to oily or dirty part which is nonpolar and insoluble in water. The dirt is, thus, enveloped in the nonpolar end of soap micelles. The negatively charged heads of soap molecules make the micelles soluble in water. Thus, the dirt is washed away with soap. Explain why the action of detergents is better effective than soap in hard water. Detergents are generally sodium salts of sulfonic acids or ammonium salts with chlorides or bromides ions, etc. Both have long hydrocarbon chain. The charged ends of these compounds do not form insoluble precipitates with the calcium and magnesium ions in hard water. Thus, they remain effective in hard water. What exactly is generally present in shampoo products? Detergents are usually used to make shampoos and different laundry products for cleaning clothes. Ethane, with the molecular formula C2H6 has how many covalent bonds? A, 6, B, 7, C, 8, and D, 9. From the above structure, we can see that the ethane molecule has 6 CH covalent bonds and 1 CC covalent bond. Therefore, total covalent bonds of Cc plus Ch in ethane molecule is 7. Hence the correct answer is B, 7 covalent bonds. Explain how alcohols are dangerous for living beings, if consumed. When large quantities of ethanol are consumed, it tends to slow metabolic processes and to depress the central nervous system. And, unlike ethanol, intake of methanol in very small quantities also can cause death. Methanol is oxidized to methanol in the liver, which reacts rapidly with the components of cells. It coagulates the protoplasm, in much the same way an egg is coagulated by cooking. If at all the person survives, it affects optic nerve badly causing blindness. Explain how sugarcane plants can help to give us substitute of petrol and diesel. Sugarcane plants are one of the most efficient converters of sunlight into chemical energy. Sugarcane juice can be used to prepare molasses which is fermented to give alcohol, ethanol. Some countries now use alcohol as an additive in petrol since it is a cleaner fuel which gives rise to only carbon dioxide and water on burning in presence of sufficient air, oxygen. I hope these video solutions for Class 10 Science Chapter 4 Carbon and its Compounds help you. If you have any query, new questions regarding these solutions for Class 10 Science, drop a comment in my email and I will get back to you at the earliest. In case there is a necessity to add more questions, I will add next videos.